What's in my kit right here? A lip plumper from Clarins Beauty, honey. It's so beautiful and it tastes good too. Pair that up with some NARS lip stain, especially when you're eating in between takes. Get that lobster sauce all over there. Just a little touch up does the trick. Oh my goodness, never leave home without a powder puff because you can never look shiny, honey. The cameras are everywhere. You never know where they are. You always have to be prepared. We got the Sol Body Compact right here. I love it. It's huge. It shows my beautiful reflection, honey. And it comes with a nice highlight powder right there. Ooh. And of course, the Vivier Grenzine Eye Cream. I recommend it because guess how old I am? I bet you can't. And that's what's in my kit.